Let's start.
Sir, I think it's
Walaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, my dear people. Thank you so much for joining. Now we will do another question. We will do this one. Question number 4. Are you seeing the screen? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it clear
sir.
to you? The screen. Voice is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, Aisha, you read.
A student has a thermometer which has no temperature markings, as shown in figure 4.1. A. He finds the length of the liquid column when the temperature is at 0 degrees Celsius. State the apparatus he needs to do this and explain how he uses this apparatus. You may use a diagram if you wish.
Okay. You read. Now answer will be given another student. Karim, you give the answer.
yes sir, আমরা আরেকটা থার্মোমিটারের সাহায্যে টেম্পারেচার জানবো এবং মার্কিং করব।
No. No. Any other idea?
A scale
Um,
or beaker.
no. He finds the length of the liquid column. For this one, we are using ruler, right? Scale. What you said, fine. But is it enough for this? That how you will get 0 degrees Celsius? For that, what you need?
ফ্রিজার।
Any other idea? Do you know which things? This is a universal.
The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius.
Ice.
Yes, that's the idea. And you can't say only ice. You say melting ice. Okay. Because
Why melting ice?
Ice, if it is ice only, then it can be even less than 0 degrees Celsius. Maybe it is -2, -5. It could be, right? But when it is melting ice, it's surely 0 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
What I am saying, you can take the notes. It should be melting ice. Okay. So in our apparatus, you said scale, fine, and beside it you should also mention melting ice. And now the other part of the question. Here we have 2 marks. If you only say that it is melting ice, that's not enough. Here we have to explain a little bit, right? So how you measure the length using the ruler, and you should give a symbol, or you should mark it somewhere where it is 0 degrees Celsius, right? Like if the level of the liquid is coming here, then it should mark here as 0 degrees Celsius, isn't it?
Right, yeah.
Otherwise it will go. After some time it will go. Then you cannot find your point, in which point it was. That's why you should mark it.
Okay.
Then next we have other part. This will be easier for you, I think. Already similar things explained. So this part, Adnan is there? Adnan is not there. Then Afraz.
Yes, sir.
Read this and tell me.
He finds the length of the liquid column when the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. State the apparatus he needs to this and explain how he uses his apparatus. You may use a diagram if you wish.
Okay. So how we will do it? How we
Using a
understand?
scale to mark the things.
Yeah. Then
স্কেল কেন আমাদের কাছে
And
তো pen,
boiling
pencil-
water.
boiling water. Exactly.
Boiling water.
Exactly. The water boils at 100 degrees
100
Celsius.
degrees Celsius.
So we should boil the water somewhere, isn't it? You should mention also that apparatus name, like it can be a beaker, it can be any other container, but you should mention that apparatus, that on this apparatus, on this beaker or on this metal pot, we are boiling the water, and when water boils, that time what is the temperature reading in the thermometer, or the liquid level rises.
ল্যাব খাইতেছেন
Yeah, the liquid level rises.
স্যার আপনার কথা ল্যাব গেছে
Yeah, wait, huh? You should mark the, yeah, when are you listening now? Clearly, is it clear now?
Yes,
Okay, so when you are seeing that water boils, the water you are giving heat on a beaker, at that time you will mark the level of the liquid in the thermometer. That's giving you 100 degrees Celsius. And this process you should explain in this place. Okay, I will upload this question in your Google Classroom. Please, they who can manage printing, you manage, you print out and there you write. If you can manage your printing, then you write on your physics lab copy. And also you write, this is October November 2019 variant 4.1, this question paper. That will be a record for you that this paper we did. Otherwise it will be a mess, because we'll do some more questions from some other papers. So here we got the last part. This part will be explained by Yakin.
Suggest how he then uses thermometer to find the room temperature.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone think if Yakin can't, then the other students, if you have the idea, you can explain, no problem. Karim,
yes sir
could you please again take the snap and send it to group?
yes sir sure sir
Yeah.
Sir, parlam na to.
Any other student, please?
sir পারছি sir
This answer, I am talking about this answer.
I was talking about the snap.
Yeah, I understood that one. That's why I'm saying I am talking about your this question's answer. Anyone can?
How he then uses it? Sir, he uses a room temperature means
This
laboratory thermometer.
Water.
This thermometer
Normal water.
he should use to get the room temperature.
Using normal water.
If you are using normal water, or you are not using even the normal water, you will get it. Just keep it somewhere in the room, you will get it. But how you will get the temperature? You only got now 0 degrees Celsius. I'm helping you, I'm giving you the clues.
Using the ratio.
Using
For
the
0
ratio.
to 100,
Yes.
dividing it up.
Yes, ideas are coming. Good. Tell me now. Continue. How?
So
We
first
will
we'll
mark
mark
it
how
on
much
the,
it comes, then divide it up. then keep on dividing, finding the ratio.
Can you give me one example, like with the length of the thermometer? You are using
If
the ruler, right?
Yes,
yeah,
we
if
will
10
at
centimeter is
first.
100 degree, so
Yes,
5
yes,
centimeter will be 50 degree, something like that.
yes, exactly. And this process is called calibrating the thermometer. Please write on your copy. So in your 2 marks, you should mention this, that we will calibrate the thermometer. The whole process, what you told, that one is called calibrating the thermometer. And
That
after calibrating, what you will do, you will check the reading in the thermometer, right? Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, for maybe it will be 30 degrees Celsius, it will be 25 degrees Celsius, 27 degrees Celsius. You will get it from the thermometer. Okay. As you said that if it is 5 centimeter, it will be 50 centimeter.
So
Normally in
then
our
for
three,
sir, for 1 mark will write calibrating the thermometer, and for another mark will be the example.
yeah, correct. Now it's clear to you, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now these two are done. How much time is left for our class?
Sir, 5 minutes.
5 minutes left. Exactly 5 minutes.
না স্যার আরো কম এখন ক্লাস কয়টা শেষ জানি
20 মিনিট বাকি 20 মিনিট বাকি 20 মিনিট
স্যার
বাকি
অনেক টাইম আমি ভাবছিলাম এখনই
When did you start, Afraz?
স্যার আমার তো জয়েন করতে লেট হয়েছে আমি তো লিংক পাইতেছিলাম না।
স্যার আমি তো 1:15 এ শুরু করছি
Okay, let's continue. We will do another question, and after that one we will finish. No problem. Some of you are hungry, some of you are tired. We are doing 4th lesson.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The boy from Saudi Arabia, right?
মাত্র খেয়ে আসছি স্যার
Yeah. That's why you are more stronger now. You are now more stronger. Okay. In final term, the first topic is related to lens, right?
Yes,
Isn't it?
sir.
So
স্যার
let's
এক্সাম
do.
কি সিআইএ ও লেভেল কোশ্চেন পেপার ওই সবই নাকি অন্যবারের থেকে 10 টাইমস ইজি হবে হওয়া তো উচিত স্যার
Yes, sir.
Listen, I always kind to you, right? I'll not give you a very hard time. But if I do it very easy, then some people will be, will lose interest to study, right?
এবার স্যার ইজি
No,
করেন
sir, we
pandemic
won't, sir.
Yeah, that's why it will be, there will be some questions where you have to struggle, right? Little bit, not so much. For
পরীক্ষা ফেল
that's for you only, so that you can improve, right? You
আচ্ছা
can,
স্যার আপনি তো এক্সামিনার না
yes.
আচ্ছা স্যার তাহলে ও লেভেল ওদের বলেন যেন নেক্সট ইয়ারে ইয়ে করে এক্সাম কিছুটা ইজি হলেও করা উচিত ওদের কিছুটা না অনেকটাই
O level exam is easier, if you only study 3 months with seriousness, you will get a star.
না স্যার তবু ইজি করতে বলেন
It's very easier
তুই
for
এখনো
you.
খাইতেছস
And
কেমনে জানলি
they who
তোর
are
আওয়াজ।
present here, you all have the ability to get a star if you just study 3 months seriously. Okay, so it's up to you. Will you get it or not? Now, can we start this one? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
হাই স্যার
Yeah, now Adnan,
Yes,
you
sir,
read.
fantastic.
Adnan is now very active. He got the lunch. So,
আর আনসার খায়নি
yeah, you continue.
ভাতের লগে ডাইল মাখা মুরগি মিশায় খাইতাছে
এখন বিস্কিট ভাই
Now, continue, Adnan.
আচ্ছা
বিস্কিটের সাথে মুরগি মিলায়
A student is asked to find the focal length f of a lens. He uses an arrow-shaped slit in a piece of card as an object, as shown in figure 1.1. The object is placed at one end of a meter rule and the lens is fixed a distance u from the object. As shown on figure 1.2, the slit is illuminated from behind using a lamp. A screen is then placed on the meter rule so that a sharp, focused image of the arrow is formed. The distance v from the lens to the screen is then measured.
Yeah. Look at the diagram. Screen, image. We did one experiment on this, right?
No.
Yes,
Oh yes,
sir.
yes, we
Yes,
We
we
did.
did.
ওই যে 6টা
One
ফোটা ছিল
experiment.
একটা ইয়েতে।
Yeah, it's related to measuring the focal
স্যার
length.
এবার ল্যাব এক্সামস গুলো কিভাবে কন্ডাক্ট করা হবে? ল্যাবও কি আবার এমসিকিউ নাকি ল্যাব এক্সামস বাদ?
Lab exams, look, I am doing some questions with you about practical. So maybe this type of questions, small questions will be given.
কিন্তু
Or
স্যার
it will be skipped.
প্র্যাকটিক্যাল তো মানে এক্সপেরিয়েন্সের উপরে মার্কিং আসে যে কোন জায়গায়
কি
কিভাবে
কি কি করলাম তারপর রেজাল্ট আসে, তাহলে তো এরকম প্র্যাকটিক্যাল হইলো না, মুখস্থ বিদ্যাই তো হইলো।
So you are already experienced, right? And
নো স্যার,
you know many things related to lab, and this type of
স্যার
questions are
তাহলে তো আমরা
asked.
যদি ভুলে বানসার ফ্লেমের ডিগ্রি 3000 ডিগ্রি দিয়ে দেই তাহলে তো কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না বিকজ ইটস
থাক
প্র্যাকটিক্যাল।
থাক থাক আর বলা লাগবে না তো।
Okay,
Karim, shut up.
we will discuss it later on, which will be helpful for everyone. Now talk about those things. Now, this part already read by Adnan. Now let's go for the question. What the question is asking, I think they would the practical in our physics lab. They can answer this question. Read, Adnan. Read.
Explain how the student ensures that the image is sharply focused on the screen.
Yeah. How he will do it? He will move something. What he needs to move?
The lens.
Wooden block.
The lens.
He has to block and screen, right? Better you say that screen. The screen can be moved forward or backward, little bit, slowly.
The lens can be also.
Yeah, lens can be, but it's
Best
better.
হচ্ছে screen.
Yeah, best one we should choose, that is screen, right?
The reason?
Because we are observing the image on the screen. If you want to see the image is clear or not clear, it's better to move the screen. Got the point?
Not yet, sir.
Because the lens, it has a focal length, right? If you move
Yes,
it
sir.
so much, then if it is outside of the focal length, then it is difficult for you to get the image. You will never get the clear image. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's why it's better idea to move the image. Yeah, sorry, move the screen to get the clear image. So it's clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next, let us try the next one. Okay, B, part B. Ziba, you read.
Figure 1.3 is a full-scale diagram showing the positions of the object, center of lens, and screen when the sharp focus image is obtained. Number 1, take measurements from figure 1.3 to find U and V.
Yes, so which one is U and which one is V? Can you please tell me, anyone?
The first one is U, the second one is V.
Why?
Yes,
That
very
was
good
written
question.
above.
Very good question. Why? And
Figure.
the explanation you can write on your copy. That is from the lens, always we measure the distance, right?
Yes, sir.
And you know there is one optical center, and we are thinking here is the optical center, and
Okay, sir.
from the optical center to the object, till
Yes,
to
sir.
the object,
Afras, তোর mic চলতেছে।
till to the
আমার mic
object,
টা on।
it is object distance. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And from the optical center to the position of a screen, that is image we are getting on the screen, that is our image distance. So what you will do with the ruler, you will measure it. You have to take the printout, otherwise you cannot get it correctly or accurately. Okay, they who will
Sir, ফাইলটাকে দিয়ে দিয়েছেন ক্লাসরুমে?
I will give today, I will upload it in the afternoon, I will give, or at night I will give, then you will start working. Okay, and before the next lab class you finish it. Okay, we are getting 1 week, so by this 1 week you do it, no problem. Now U and V you can get, and you should, when you are getting the reading, you should take nearest millimeter. Like if you are getting 13.1 or 5.1, you cannot write 5 or 13. You should write 5.1 or 13.1. Okay, that is called nearest millimeter. Accurately you are writing the values. Are you clear till this part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 till 1 you are clear. Now they gave the formula to find the focal length. F equals UV divided by V plus U. You will put
স্যার
those
আমরা কি
values.
অ্যাড ম্যাথ করতেছি?
Add maths, you know, mathematics is the language of physics, right? That's why
Okay, sir.
you will get many things related to physics and maths. And look here, you will calculate it. I think everyone can do it, but during your calculation and writing your answer, you should make the answer 2 or 3 significant figure. Always remember it. For your O level, A level, it is standard rule that you should make the answer in
3
2 or 3.
significant figure
Yeah.
if possible.
Yeah, 2 or 3 significant figure. Okay.
স্যার না রাখলে কি কোনো ডিডাকশন
Yeah,
হবে বা
sometimes
পেনালাইজিং করবে?
sometimes they do it, and you will get that type of question also. Also in this paper there is one question where you will get this. Okay, so how much time is
3
left?
SF এ রাখবো।
Yeah, 3
Sir,
3
only
SF or
5
2 SF. Okay, now suggest one way. The student ensures that his value for F is accurate.
By moving the
Make-
screen front and behind.
Making sure that U and V is accurate.
Any other idea?
Sir, আমি যেটা
Making
বললাম
sure
যে
that
স্ক্রিনটা
the screen and the lens are at the same level as the object.
Very good. Any other?
The table is straight.
For what?
ওই যে
is the-
পারপেন্ডিকুলার লেভেলে ওইটা বলছি যে মানে দুটোটাই সেম লেভেল হিসাবে থাকতে হবে।
Okay, another thing you can add, that is you are taking
এই লেভেলটাও
yeah, you are getting several readings for U and V, and you
or
are
the
getting,
average of the several
yeah
average or
like U and V you are measuring 2 times or 3 times or 5 times, then you will get little bit different, right? And if you are getting 5 readings, it will be if you are after taking 5 readings, then you are taking average, then your reading, your calculation is more accurate, right? So you are taking more readings of F or more calculation of F and take the average. This is one of the uh, reasons or one of the suggestions. So what you told, those can be also included here. What you told, especially the point raised by Yakin, that is very important. That we should uh, make them in the same line, okay, or fix them in the same line. Otherwise, we will not get the reading accurately. So that's all for today, right,
Yes,
students?
sir.
Thank you so much for your participation, active participation, and joining in the class. Tomorrow we have class again, right? Tomorrow we have theory class at 9 o'clock. Also be present over there, everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.